In honor of the upcoming fall season, I've got a low-carb egg loaf recipe for all you pumpkin spice lovers. I'm Bill, and we're glad you are cooking with the Delks. Okay, so we started with 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and then we add a half a block of cream cheese, or 4 ounces, 4 eggs, 4 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. I was kind of skeptical about using the pumpkin because of the carb content, but I looked on the can, and to my surprise, 4 tablespoons only has 5 grams of carbs. And then we put a teaspoon and a half of pumpkin spice. Add your sweetener to your taste. I like things extremely sweet, so I'm going to use about a half a cup of stevia. I also like to use sucralose a lot, but it's just according to your taste. Then you blend all this up. Oh, and I should say that it smells divine. A little bit of Pam cooking spray. Okay, also, I like to add pecans. We're going to do a little under half a cup. So we added about 1/3 of a cup of chopped pecans. And then we're going to finish with some little sprinkles of more pumpkin spice. So we preheated the oven at 350 degrees, and we are going to bake for about 15 to 30 minutes. I'll probably check on it in about 15 minutes. All ovens vary, but we ended up cooking our egg loaf for about 28 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell.